Hello, everybody. Good morning in New Orleans, and thank you very much, Steve, for the invitation to this great panel about technology of the future in hospitality. I'm actually in Stuttgart, in southern part of Germany right now, and it's a Sunday afternoon, quite sunny. And I'd like to give you some impressions about the past and the future of my work. About the FutureHotel project. It's a research initiative in Germany. As you can see on this slide, I just want to introduce you to the company that I represent. It's the Fraunhofer Society, probably not so well known in the US, but in Europe it's actually the biggest research society for applied science. We have about 24,000 scientists and work hand in hand with the government and with all the companies that are working with research and science in Germany. What you can see on this slide are the research facilities that we use especially for hospitality and tourism research. One of them is situated in Duisburg in Germany. The other one is my office space in Germany, Stuttgart. Maybe you know it from the companies Porsche or Daimler, Mercedes-Benz. We started with our research initiative, FutureHotel, in the year 2008. So more than 10 years we are working with a focus on the topic, what does the hotel of the future look like? And we started with a research laboratory, the hotel room of the future, and it presented 10 years ago the future of the hotel room in the year 2020. Later on, we presented another laboratory based in Stuttgart about the interaction of customers, travelers in a city environment by using mobile devices, different technologies in use, and researched about the interaction with these technologies and the support of location-based services and personalization of services as well. And the last laboratory, as you can name it, is a real hotel of the future. It's the Hotel Shani in Vienna. And we are working close together with this family of hoteliers. It's a family business, and they started with their first hotel in the year 2014. And there we presented some innovative solutions. I will come back to this in the next slides. What is our project about? If we research about the hotel of the future, and we do it for more than 10 years now, we use different methodologies, not only our laboratories to prototype and realize technologically solutions for the hospitality business. We also come up with our own research in terms of online surveys, workshops with experts, everything you can imagine. We come up with our own data at the end and have empirical based research about the future of hospitality. What does the future of hospitality look like? What is it all about? It's about data, it's about AI, technology use, and most important, how this can support humans, humanity, and sustainability. What does the hotel room of the future look like? When we all started with this project years ago, we started with a survey of hotel guests on an international basis. 4,000 people took part of the survey, and so we could find out easily what are their expectations about the hotel stay of the future and what are their specific needs. We found out about the specific needs of more than 15 traveler or hotel guest types these days. A hotel room of the future, it would be nice if it would support our well-being, our personal health, reduces mental stress and strain, and supports recovery, especially for business travelers, but also for leisure travelers. In our laboratory, the hotel room of the future, we presented years ago already some technologies which are quite relevant today. Voice control. We implemented the possibility to talk to your future hotel room, and it was quite new for everyone who entered this hotel room, because nobody was used to Alexa and Cortana and all the other friends of them, which we already know today. We implemented a virtual minibar because we strongly believed that services will be more virtual, more digital at the end, which means that you have different displays in your hotel room or your own display, like your smart device. You can order whatever you want, not only a bottle of beer, but much more. And then there will be a smart robot who brings all the ordered products or services right to your hotel room. We implemented LED skylights, a new technology these days, and came up with some solutions how you could have settings that support your well-being, that support how you wake up in the morning, and they also support how you sleep in the night. We implemented a display facade using virtual reality technology, where you can change the environment of your hotel space. If you are somewhere in a city and you have a boring outlook on a backyard, you can use the technologies to give you the impressions that you have a nice outlook over the city. Maybe you see in Paris the Eiffel Tower. All this by using technology. We focused a lot on sleep and the improvement of your sleep experience. The energy bed was one product that we developed together with a company. And we also thought about the future of the bathroom in a hotel space. A future spa was the result in our future hotel laboratory. And we integrated a lot of sensors, because this is the basic technology that you need if you want to come up with some data use cases and algorithms, how we use them today. What you can see on the picture is the window, the virtual reality window. You can look through it, and it can be closed and then used as a display. We researched on smart light control, human-centric lighting, how to improve the well-being and the health of a hotel guest inside of the hotel room by using this lighting technology. And we also have a laboratory, therefore, in Stuttgart, where my research colleagues are working, for example, on a virtual sky, where you have clouds passing over you, which gives you the possibility to make people feel awake, to stimulate them if they come back in a conference room after the lunch break and they all get sleepy. I don't know in what mood you are right now, but if you have clouds passing over you, there's something happening, and your brain gives you the idea, oh, you should be awake, there's something ongoing. Yeah, so this supports health and well-being. If we look about the future sleep experience in a hotel, we came up with the energy bed, which is a rocking bed. It slides from one side to the other, and you have a feeling like a baby or a traveler on a ship, for example. But we also proved by several tests in another laboratory that this supports your well-being. So this is one possibility to answer how are people going to improve their sleep in the future of a hotel stay. But there are for sure several other opportunities and possibilities to come up with a nice sleep experience, also based on smart solutions. We researched about smart interaction inside of hotel environments, and one example therefore is Shop the Hotel, an idea which gives you the opportunity to use augmented reality solutions to gain more information about your environment. This could be an out view of the window and you get information about the neighborhood and the environment. If there's something ongoing, like a nice museum that is open today, or you can join a party that is ongoing. But for sure, inside of the hotel, this can be information about the products inside of a hotel space. Maybe you want to buy them and order them for your own home. And in terms of the staff of a hotel, you can give advice for the housekeeping, how to clean a specific situation, a specific environment at the end. You can support their daily work by giving them information at the right time and at the right location. We worked hand in hand with the Hotel Shani and supported their innovation management when they decided to build a new hotel chain. The Hotel Shani Vienna is the first hotel of this family business in Austria. You can see that it looks not like a copy from our FutureHotel room of the laboratory in Duisburg, but there's also some smart technology integrated in this hotel room. In the Hotel Shani, they have a multifunctional lobby, so you do not have a reception as you formally know it. Guests can choose if they want to check in just by using their own smartphone. They can also enter their room by using their own smartphone and can have the room control based on using the app on their smartphone as well. What we are researching on these days is a holistic, seamless travel solution along the whole customer journey. It is not only about the check-in and the check-out process, but we are sure that it will be in the future multi-optional, depending on the market positioning of the hotel and the expectations of their guests in their specific situation, their mood at the time of arrival. We talk a lot about robots and the use of service robots in a hotel. It has a strong impact, also the use of data and business intelligence about the future of work in a hotel business and the future of employee profiles. Right now we are researching on this specific topic over 2 years now, and we will be ready with a report in a few months. We looked at the different employee profiles and what is the effect and the opportunity of using technology for the different profiles in a hotel business. Also, we did a survey in the German-speaking countries with more than 4,000 people taking part in the survey. So we can work out on this data and come up with ideas about what does a receptionist wants to work, how does a receptionist wants to work in the future, with what kind of technology, in terms of flexibility as well, in terms of employer branding, different answers from different profiles, and we can work on these different profiles. In the Hotel Shani, we also implemented one of our FutureHotel ideas from the year 2008, integrating a co-working space in a hotel lobby. And if we look about the future of this topic, then it comes from co-working to co-living and towards social responsibilities of a hotel. This means future hotels will play a key role as a social hub in their specific neighborhood in terms of service offers, community events, the facilities they offer, and social interaction. And this is one of our research topics that we will focus on in the next months. How does smart sustainability in a hotel of the future look like? Smart sustainability means by using data, by using algorithms, by using technology and digitalization. How can the hotel of the future come up with sustainable solutions and services for the guests and for the staff? This is my little insight in our FutureHotel research work. Feel free to talk to me. You can easily contact me via email or call me on my mobile phone. It would be great to have a discussion and maybe also to work together. Thank you, and bye-bye to New Orleans.